Today we're going to look at the tree map chart in Microsoft Excel. This is a data visualization chart. This is sort of similar to a heat map chart. It will show you a visualization of where data is centralized. It is a little bit different than a heat map, but you kind of sort of can use that as the same thing. So let's take a look. So we have here project steps. This is all the project steps that were taken and all the hours that were spent by all the teams on this particular project. So now we could take this and we could sort it and we could figure out what the total percentage of each one is and figure out which the highest one is. But we can also just show this in a quick heat map or tree map. So let's go into insert, and then we're going to hover over this. You'll see this says insert hierarchy chart, and this is a tree map. So I click on tree map, and I'm going to open this up just so it's a little bit easier to see. So you will see here this tree map of everything, and you will see that it breaks down each item and represents each item by the size of the item. So if we take this just to show how this works, if we were to take this first one, which is task completion, that is currently our largest item, is 632 hours, and we were to make that, say, 2,500 hours, you would see how much more of that chart that now takes up. So it's a good way to show how big each area is. So let's go ahead and format these data cells. One of the really important things here is to add the value. I think that's really important on this one so that people can see exactly how many, in this case, hours are spent on each item. And obviously you could change the chart design. You could have something that looks more like this or something more modern. So there's lots of different options. But the point is this is a data visualization to help you show where most of the data is. You could do this other ways. You could do this in a column. You could do this in a line. But this is a really nice way to show dynamically what each one looks like compared to each other. In a line chart or in a bar chart, it kind of gets lost. It's easy to see one thing, but it's not really easy to understand and how that fits in with the rest of them. So this is a really good way to show this.